Nature has the power to mesmerize us with its beauty, yet it never lets us forget who's truly in charge of this planet. In today's episode, we've gathered the most astonishing natural events that will leave you absolutely speechless. If I didn't tell you what was happening here, you'd probably think a meteor had struck this mountain. But no, what you're witnessing are the devastating aftermaths of a massive landslide, whose impact far exceeded anyone's expectations. A stunning reminder of nature's uncontrollable power. I don't care how sturdy your house is. If Mother Nature decides it's coming down, nothing will stop her. Watching this driver head straight toward a tornado is enough to give you chills. Don't worry, they're fine. But seriously, don't try this yourself. This woman just realized why her hotel room didn't come with a hairdryer. This rare footage shows the water's reaction to an earthquake in a Japanese canal, something you definitely don't see every day. I have no complaints about how these boats withstood the wind. These people came to witness a landslide that paralyzed half the city after intense rainfall, but believe me, this is not something you want to get too close to. After this landslide, at least one person must have started believing in destiny or guardian angels. Luckily, there was no one else at home. This scene might make you wonder if a monster is destroying your garage. It's quite terrifying to see this unstoppable mud flow sweeping away everything in its path. Fortunately, no one was injured. You might be surprised, but tornadoes can form in a matter of seconds, sometimes right behind you. I'm not a meteorologist, but when storms like this hit, taking shelter in a bunker doesn't seem like a bad idea. Get ready to be mesmerized by this terrifying river of mud. You won't be able to look away. These guys must have been looking for a thrill when they decided to step out onto the balcony in this weather. These shipping containers were supposed to be transported to a city warehouse by truck, but a sudden flood decided to save them the fuel. I admit I'm not an expert in physics, so I'll call it a glitch in the matrix. But if you know what's really happening here, let me know in the comments. This guy recorded a video of the whole scene after the storm ended. Now, let's take a look at what happened before that. Can you imagine how strong the wind must be to do something like this to your business? Yes, it's a blazing geyser in the middle of the desert. Impressive, no doubt. But let it serve as a reminder to be cautious with matches, even in the most unexpected places. People say hurricanes are all bad news, but hey, it gifted some friends their neighbor's trampoline. While tour guides take the jobs of designers and editors, storms take away the jobs of lumberjacks. This tornado created more terrifying scenes than any horror movie director could ever dream of. No CGI needed. The most pointless thing you can do is fight against nature. Take a look at these people trying, and let it serve as a reminder of just how powerful the wind can be. This shot might look like a perfectly synchronized photo, but a slight change in angle makes it clear that something truly creepy is happening in this city. Let's hope this cameraman has tied himself to something sturdy, because with winds like this, he could be blown away into the air. In Nepal, this mountain river overflowed so much that it started destroying concrete bridges. Fortunately, no one was injured. Remember, no matter what nature throws at you, don't lose hope, just like this guy. That moment when you start wondering why the doormat at the front door is soaked after last night's downpour. Look at this. The tides of the Brahmaputra River in India are so fast that they can reach speeds of up to 24 kilometers per hour.